What are you saying to her? Careful. You want to give her a good night kiss? She loves you. Oh, gentle Rai Rai.
Hi, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, Papa. Hey, pal. I want you, pal. I see, pal. Okay.
Never put a pillow on baby Hannah. Oh my gosh. Do you love her? Can you tell her? Tell her you love her, sweetie, if you do. Mommy better put a diaper on baby Hannah before she gets a bad accident, huh? Say, I love you, sweetheart.
I think I'm not tasty. I'm gonna yell for you.
You love her? That's
I
nice.
love her.
I love her. It's so cute, Riley. Oh, is she happy? Not right in her face, sweetheart.
Let me take her.
Tico?
Tickle.